channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today episode with me about the blueberries. I'll make this delicious blueberry buns. Very popular dessert in Poland. They call Jagodzianki. And I hope you enjoy. For the blueberry buns I need flour. I will use 6 cups, 1 cup of sugar, 4 egg yolks, dry yeast, vanilla 1 teaspoon, warm milk and sour cream, and of course blueberries. I'll try to put lots of blueberries to each buns. 1 stick of butter, flour, dry yeast. I put 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Now I add sugar, warm milk. I add sugar and warm milk to activate yeast. Now I have to wait. The yeast will be floaty. We can start the next step. The yeast is floaty. Now I can add more ingredients. 4 egg yolks, sugar, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, vanilla, and just a little bit pinch of salt. Now I can combine all ingredients. The last part I will add warm melt butter. It's done. Now I'll wait about to my dough double size. Usually takes 1.5 hours when it's warm outside. And next step, I'm preparing blueberries. I have 2 cups of blueberries. I'll cover with sugar and a little bit flour and gently mix dough, double size already. Next step, about half an inch thick, and just cut nice circles. And next part, in the middle of each circle, I have 7 blueberries, and just pinch and connect. From this amount of ingredients, I make 42 sweet blueberry buns, Jagodzianki. And now I have to wait till my buns will double size, and it will be next step. Now I will just go with the top with the egg white. They will be nice and shiny. And the last step, I'll put some little bit sprinkle of sugar, just tiny bit for extra crunch. I will bake blueberry buns, Jagodzianki, on parchment paper. Blueberry buns put in oven, temperature 380 degrees. I will bake for 25 minutes. The polished blueberry buns, Jagodzianki done. I'm ready to try. If you like this video, make sure to give me thumb up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make recipes once a week, and thank you so much for watching.